Think about this. You have spent weeks working on a freelance assignment. When it is time to get paid, the person says, देख लेंगे, बाद में बताता हूँ. In other words, we will see, I'll tell you later. Frustrating, right? You feel like as if you are begging for your own money. Why is it in India we often feel like getting what we deserve, like a clean road or a fair wage, is a gift from a politician rather than our basic right? Have you ever thought about the millions of people in our villages who are just trying to get 100 days of work to survive? Welcome, my name is Sukhpreet Singh Gyani, and you're watching the channel Unfiltered Book Talk. No spoilers, just the core review, the raw, honest truth about books. If it is on my shelf, it's getting a straightforward review. Let's talk about books. Today, we are diving into a book that sounds serious but is actually a total game changer for how we understand India. It is called Politics and the Right to Work. आज हम एक ऐसी बुक के बारे में बात करने जा रहे हैं जो इंडिया में पावर की गेम को समझने के लिए परफेक्ट है. बुक का नाम है वर्क राइट्स एज पॉलिटिक्स. अब आपके इंट्रोडक्शन कराते हैं इसके ऑथर्स से. इस बुक को लिखा है दो एक्सपर्ट्स ने. द ऑथर्स आर रॉब जेनकिंस एंड जेम्स मैनर. Rob Jenkins is a professor of political science at Hunter College, New York, whereas James Manner is a professor from the University of London. Now, don't let these foreign names fool you. These guys didn't just read data in a fancy office in London or New York. Rather, इन्होंने राजस्थान और मध्य प्रदेश की धूप में सालों बिताए हैं. ये पंचायत ऑफिसेज गए, मजदूरों के साथ बैठे, मजदूरों को मिले, उनसे बातचीत करी, सिर्फ ये देखने के लिए कि इंडिया का जो फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम मनरेगा है, you know, that huge scheme that guarantees 100 days of work to rural households, has it actually changed for the people on ground? Has it actually changed the politics of India? They wanted to know, असलियत में लोगों की लाइफ बदल रही है या सिर्फ सरकारी कागजों तक सीमित रह गई है. ये किताब क्यों मैटर करती है, स्पेशली आज के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में, जबकि हमने कुछ टाइम पहले ही संसद में मनरेगा के ऊपर डिस्कशन होते हुए देखी. Why this matters? For a simple reason, this talks of हैसियत versus adhikar. So why should you know more about this book? Well, this book explains the shift from kripa, that is to say favor, to adhikar, that is to say rights. तो ये किताब हमें ये उजागर करती है कि ये सिर्फ डिगिंग या रोड के बारे में नहीं है, ये डिग्निटी के बारे में है. इस लॉ से पहले अगर गांव में किसी को काम चाहिए होता था तो उन्हें लोकल बड़े लोग या सरपंच के आगे हाथ जोड़ना पड़ता था. सरपंच उसे एक फेवर की तरह देखता था. ठीक है, काम दे दूंगा, पर मेरे लिए क्या करोगे? How many times have we seen this in movies or in our own neighborhoods, where you have to know someone just to get a simple task done at a government office? हमारे authors Jenkins and Manner show that Manrega changed the status of the common man, because now getting work was a legal right. You don't have to say, thank you to a politician or to a sarpanch for giving you that job. Now it's your right by law. और इस सब डेवलपमेंट को हमारे ऑथर्स एक नाम देते हैं और वो कहते हैं दिस इज सोशल मोबिलाइजेशन. इट्स अबाउट not just common man getting work, about people finally standing tall. हमारे ऑथर्स जब राजस्थान की बात करते हैं तो वो बताते हैं it wasn't the politicians who started it. It was students and social activists who protested until the government had to listen. Madhya Pradesh, the authors found that even when the government changed, the scheme didn't stop. Why? Because the people realized their power. Once you give someone a right, you just can't take it away like a toy. हमने जो पहले शुरुआत में बात की, even the NDA government improved upon the scheme in the month of December 2025. जहां पर मनरेगा सिर्फ 100 दिन की गारंटी करता था काम इन अ होल ईयर, दिस चेंज ब्रॉट इन बाय एनडीए गवर्नमेंट extended those 100 days to 125 days. Democracy is not just about voting once every 5 years. It is about the power you hold every single day. This is what the book is teaching us. To wrap it up, this book is a must read because it reminds us that India is a work in progress. It's a story of how a simple idea, the right to earn a living, can shake up centuries of old school power dynamics. Whether you are aiming for UPSC or trying to be a filmmaker or starting a shop, remember what Jenkins and Manner found. Rights change the game, so don't be a follower waiting for a favor. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to the channel, like the video, share your comments because your comments indeed motivate us to do even better.